Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change device name on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is opening our settings application on our Samsung Galaxy phone, and we have to scroll down until we find the about phone option. Tap on this option and here you can change your device name. You just need to click on this edit button, and for example, I'm going to name my device like this. Again, here you can read the description. This name will be shown on other devices when your phone is available to connect using Bluetooth, Wi-Fi Direct, and other methods. Then you just need to click on done after you're done naming your Samsung Galaxy device. Okay, now as you can see that my device name has been changed. Alright guys, and that's how we can change device name on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.